Hello, hi. Today I'm reviewing this guitar pedal I got from this brand STRICH. I got it from Amazon. It's $33, I believe. I've been using it for 2 months now. I'm pretty happy with it. Here's just a little review. You can hear the tone, and here's my guitar tone, the clean tone. Now with the pedal. So you can hear, you can tell the tone is more fuller and just sound more rich. And here's the level button. You can adjust the level of the effect, and attack and sustain, 2 different knobs. So you can just play around with it. So long sustain means you got longer compressed sound. I like it a little bit down, like right here, so you can get a true dynamic of your tone. Just a little bit. Here's without. Here's with the effect.